Working from anywhere sounds great, until your system lags, apps crash, or your data feels exposed. It's time for something better. Traditional desktops weren't built for remote work. They're slow, unsecure, and hard to manage, especially when your team is everywhere. That's where our virtual desktop infrastructure comes in. With VDI from Ace Cloud Hosting, your team gets a high-performance, secure desktop, accessible from anywhere, on any device, no more waiting. Launch your apps, open files, and get to work in seconds, with the same power and responsiveness you expect from a local machine. Need to move files? Just copy and paste. Need to print remotely? It's built in. Everything you need is just where you'd expect it. With multi-factor authentication, encryption, and full admin control, your data stays protected, no matter where your team works. Teams like Reverse Logics, Splash Gain, and many others moved to Ace Cloud Hosting VDI and cut overhead by 40%, while giving staff the flexibility to work from anywhere securely. With Ace Cloud Hosting, you get high-performance virtual desktops for any device, turnkey deployment, and pay-as-you-go pricing models, built-in 30-day backup, 99.99% uptime, proactive monitoring, enterprise-grade security, and 24/7 expert support. Book your personalized VDI demo today and see how we tailor remote work just for your business.